Celeste from Crochet Crochic, and today we are going to look at the back loop only half double crochet and the front loop only half double crochet. Enjoy! Normally when you do your half double crochet, you chain 2 stitches at the beginning of the row, you turn around, then you yarn over, and there where you see the previous row's stitches, you see those 2 teardrops. Looks like a round teardrop shape. You would normally go and yarn over and place your hook underneath both those loops that the previous row has created. However, when you're working with a back loop only, what you are doing is you will only place your hook into the back loop. If you look at the stitches, the one the furthest from you, that's your back loop. The one that's the closest to you, that's your front loop. So if you are doing your back loop stitches only, it means you're placing your hook into the back loop, the loop of those 2 stitches that's the furthest away from you. You yarn over and you pull up a loop, and then you yarn over and you make your half double crochet like you normally do. So you yarn over and again you place your hook into that back loop, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops on your hook. This is your back loop only half double crochet. Now this creates a beautiful texture. You will see it creates this line in your work, and it can really be very decorative, especially if you're changing colors. If you're doing your front loop only half double crochet, it means you yarn over, and off those 2 stitches you place your hook and into the front loop only, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through. So what will happen is you are only going to work your half double crochet into that front bit of the 2 loops that you see on the next stitch. So you yarn over and you place your hook under the front loop, yarn over and pull through all 3 loops on your hook. Again, just under the front loop, so you make your normal half double crochet. The only difference is you're placing it only on the front loop instead of underneath both the loops. Now you will see here, there's your back loop only. It almost looks like your half double crochet is stacked behind the stitches below, whereas your front loop looks smooth, but on this side it creates a line almost in your work. There you can see it creates a line, that those loops at the bottom that you didn't work into, it creates a line. If you found this video useful, please remember to subscribe to my channel.